Alrighty folks, happy Monday morning. This is Sunday evening. I'm filming this here, and hope y'all have a great day. Hope y'all gonna have a great week. Okay, let's start off here. This is some of the cucumbers we had planted. We'll show you the garden here. I don't think we've done one yet this year. Of course, part of it there is a weed patch. You'll see that there in a minute. Knock on wood, these cucumbers are doing pretty good. Probably just jinxed them right now. And they're squash and zucchini. All right, here's some of Carolyn's onions and some beets she planted there. Yeah. Now, here's some of Daniel's carrots. Now, we'll go over here and show you the... Hello there, how are yous? Was you a waving pumpkin? Yeah. Bring you in here just a second. There's Carolyn's garden snake. You can see it down in there or not. Yeah. See that tongue sticking out. Tomatoes over here. Oh, we've got another red one back in there we can pick. They just sort of went wild. Alrighty, here's some of our other cucumbers. There's one we can pick. Alrighty. Now, show you down here our tomatoes. They're still looking good. And peppers. I won't take you all the way down through. We got these rows here. I gotta get these tied up and I gotta get them trimmed up also. And down through there's Carolyn's row of peppers down through there. Here's another, bless you, Dan. Here's another row of tomatoes. We gotta get those tied up also. Now folks, we didn't have no weeds in here until the rain hit. And then they took off like crazy. We have got to get those out of here. Lord willing, it's supposed to dry up a little bit this week here. We've been working on it there, evenings, get off and everything. And we got to get all the weeds out of here. And then on down yonder's our watermelons, way on down through there. Hopefully now that it warmed up some, they're starting to grow a lot better now. And then over there's our beans. They're coming up good. But now, biggest thing, we gotta try to get these weeds out of here. And hopefully this week we can get a bunch more of those out. And I need to get those trimmed up. But this is the real side of having a garden. If you don't keep up with it every day, it will take off on you. And like Carolyn said, a lot of it depends on the weather. I swear, I believe a lot of our stuff it started off a little stunted, slowed it down a little bit as cool as it was there for a while. But now that it's warmed up, everything seems to be taking off. I know the weed sure is. But folks, I hope y'all have a great week. Everybody stay safe. And just be careful out there. There's idiots all over the place out through there. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. Thank you for watching.